Aloha, my friends. Do you ever feel stressed, overwhelmed, anxious, struggle with anxiety or depression in life? So, this breath work is going to help alleviate all of that, reduce the cortisol in your life, and improve serotonin, oxytocin, and endorphins to be released within the body. Now, this is in 5 minutes or less how we're going to alleviate stress, anxiety, and lower depression. Now, if you're feeling overwhelmed, you can do this breath work at any time. So, breath work is designed to teach you are more than your body, more than your mind, more than your personality. You are the captain of all of them, but you are also more than all of them. So, trust the body, trust the experience. And today's breath work is called square breath. Now, this is a little bit of a twist on the traditional square breath. And the way square breath works is that we're actually going to be breathing in for 4 seconds, holding for 4, exhaling for 4, holding for 4. And we're going to do that. And then as time goes on, we're going to increase to 8. What we'll do is we'll do the 4, in, out, in, hold, out, hold. And we'll do that for about a minute. And then I'll call for a breath hold. What we'll do is we'll actually take a big breath in, let it go, big breath in, hold. We'll just hold for a few seconds, maybe 15 to 20 seconds, maybe 30, depending on how things are feeling. And then we'll move into the 8. And then we'll do the same thing for about a minute and a half or so. Now, you could do just the rounds of 4 and so forth, but the power of doing the hold in between after breathing like this is what helps really alleviate the stress and the anxiety. Now, while you're doing this breath work, if you begin to giggle or cry or start to see visuals or your muscles start to tighten up a little bit, just lean into that. That's part of breath work. If you don't enjoy it, you can stop breathing anytime. But sometimes things get released, like certain stored emotions or stored memories, or sometimes you can go in a transcendental state during breath work. Now, this breath work is not designed to send you on a transcendental state, but it can still happen. So, all right, enough intro here, and let's go ahead and begin to breathe. So, in for 4, and I'll guide you along the way. So, in, hold, out, hold, in, hold, out, hold, in, hold, out, hold, in, hold, out, hold. All right, big breath in, let it out. Big breath in and hold. As soon as your lungs are full all the way, hold. And let that out. Beautiful. All right, take a nice little recovery breath. Let's get ready for round 2, 8. All right, so in for 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hold. Out. Hold. This is a little faster, but still 8 counts. And hold. Out. Hold. And in. Hold. Out. Hold. Take a big breath in, big breath out. One more big breath in, fill up your lungs, and hold. And release. I hope you feel more relaxed, more energized. Anxiety and stress has drifted away. If you need greater help in relieving anxiety and stress, there's another breathwork right up here for you. Or you can click the link down below and come do some more breathworks with me personally. Peace, love, namaste.